We decided that when we were flooding, we wanted to use hot water just to help melt the snow and hopefully get a better ice surface. We find that if we can use really hot water and have the drag, the water landing right on the drag as it, where the drag touches the ice, that melts the snow the fastest and creates a smooth ice surface. We have some guys that are skilled fabricators, and they built this 3-point hitch attachment. And we took an old tote and then used some tile cloth that you would wrap around weeping tile as a drag. So this tractor was a retirement gift to my grandpa when he retired about 20 years ago. And so now he's since passed away, but the farm got the tractor back and we use it to flood the ice. And it's a nice way to remember Grandpa and all that he did to build this farm.